How is it that some animals avoid being eaten or getting eaten by relatively close predators? One answer lies with animal camouflage. Animals camouflage themselves for a variety of reasons, but the biggest is for predator-prey interactions. Either a predator disguises itself to trick prey into being consumed, or prey disguises itself to hide from a predator and avoid being eaten. The most common form of camouflage is being colored to match the background environment. This is a barren caterpillar. Can you see it? The barren caterpillar is colored to look like the leaves that they eat and live on to avoid being eaten by predators until they have matured into butterflies. Their appendages even have a feathered effect to help appear like the veins of a leaf. This is a Merlet's scorpionfish. It is a little easier to see compared to the barren caterpillar. This fish is colored to look like the corals in which it lives by. The fish also has skin flaps that help the fish have a shape similar to the corals. The Merlet's scorpionfish will stay still for hours by the corals and wait for the opportunity to attack any prey that is foolish enough to come close. We have now seen an example of a prey using camouflage to avoid predation and an example of a predator using camouflage to aid in predation. In both cases, there is always a hider and a seeker. Prey hide to avoid being detected by a predator, and the prey that seek look to detect predators before being eaten. Predators that hide are trying to avoid detection by prey to have an easy meal, and predators seek hidden prey so that they can find their next meal. Here is a picture of a tawny frogmouth. Are you able to find it? If you found an owl, then pat yourself on the back for a job well done. However, if you were looking for a frog, then the owl's camouflage worked. What would you guess is the reason for the owl's camouflage? It may be surprising, but the owl actually uses its camouflage to hide from being eaten by predators. It is colored to look like the tree bark, and it also stretches out its neck and flattens its feathers to appear more tree-like. This animal is easy to see compared to the rest, but it is still incredible. This is the dead leaf butterfly. Each individual butterfly looks like a leaf that is in different stages of being broken down or dying. Can you find the butterfly in this picture? Surrounded by dead leaves, it is a lot harder to find the butterfly. Finally, we get to our champion hider, the octopus. In the next three pictures are from the same video that show the same area. In each picture, the octopus is present. Can you find the octopus before it shows up in the last picture? The octopus has special skin that allows it not only to change the color to match its surroundings, but it also allows the octopus to change its texture of its skin, allowing for a more complete match to the background, making it almost completely invisible.